This is Levi at Sunnutter, and today we're going to talk about the SRDI 125. One of the key features is it comes installed with a low water sensor, can pump down to 300 feet, and a max flow rate of 12 gallons per minute with a 1¼ inch discharge. The dimensional footprint on this pump is 57 inches tall and a 4-inch motor. Today we're installing the SRDI 125 in our tank outside. Due to inclement weather, we are going to be testing it with our BK Precision power supply, and we'll be simulating a 400 watt solar panel. But we're going to drop this into the tank and show you how much gallons per minute it can flow. It's a max flow of 12 gallons a minute. Total lift on this pump can do 300 feet, 1¼ inch discharge. It can be ran on AC and DC hour, 90 to 400 volts DC and 90 to 265 volts AC.